So for my other presentation option, I stuck with just a general PowerPoint presentation about national parks, pretty similar to my Powtoon about the national parks, except in this one, I give pretty generic background history of it. And then there's the picture of the president, and then I've got some more facts here. And then I slide into more of just Yellowstone National Park itself. And then I've got more facts, then a picture of the park, and then it's popular wildlife, and with every name, the picture of the animal comes up like that. Those are different animals, just so you know. These ones have flat ears, flat little antlers, and then those ones aren't flat. Um, and then I have the environment, and then it talks about the super volcano, and then I talk about the geyser, Old Faithful, and where the water that comes from. And then lastly, I talk about the hot springs, which is kind of just just pretty much what the main attraction is at Yellowstone, which is where it talks about how hot the spring gets, and it's hotter in the middle around here because of the blue. And then it gets not necessarily colder, but less hot around the edge. And then, yep, that's the end of the slideshow.